package has arrived for another set of 3D metal model. So let's try to open this. I actually ordered only 4 this time, so next time I'll add more to it though. So I have here my 4 3D metal model. Alright, so also I'll be assembling one of them. So first one is a golden boat. So this is actually a golden boat. So I'm excited to do this one. And we have not a spider. Maybe this is a Klingon fighter. Also this one. Yeah. So this is the Klingon bird of prey, and for sure this one is the Bocha battle cruiser from Klingon. Okay, so and finally we have BB-8 from Star Wars. So this one is Star Wars and this two is Star Trek. So the Klingon bird of prey, and then the Bocha battle cruiser, and of course we have the golden boat. So for this assembly we're going to do the BB-8s. Alright. Of course I have all my tools here. Then we could start. So I have here, as usual, the manual for the assembly. Alright, and then the tape. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I am down to my 2 parts. So I just stopped the video to show you how I did this, because this one is a bit tricky. Alright, so as you can see, I need to bend it perfectly like a circle. Okay, and also this one, I actually use this one and bend using my mouse pad. You actually bend it like this, all the way here and here. Okay, and here also. So yeah, I hope this one is perfect enough to completely assemble this intricate part, which is the very important to make this BB-8 look good. Okay, so let's just continue. Okay, so I am down to my last assembly. So we're just going to connect this head here to its body. And so far, this is actually one of my best assembly, like minimal dents, minimal mistakes from this one. And as you can see, the head of BB-8 is amazing with its antenna here. So yep, and I have been working for this for about 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, so let's just start to assemble the head. And this one is so easy to do because it's already lined up. You're just going to put it inside. So as you can see, so I just need to lock this one and then we're done. Okay, so I don't need to like push it a bit further because it might destroy the head. Alright, so we are done with our BB-8 assembly. So this is his head, his antenna, and his body. So far I think I have done a great job on this. Okay, so that ends my assembly for the BB-8. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and see you again to my next assemblies. Okay, and have a great day.